You're in for a treat because the way I'm about to make money is extremely hidden and only a select few are aware of it. Due to the method's extraordinary earning potential, which can enable you to make up to an incredible $600 simply for marketing the app, for today's video, it is kept a secret. Your life can be completely turned around with just one click, or, to be more precise, upside down, since you can now finally obtain financial freedom, which is quite amazing. This approach is absolutely applicable wherever you are on the earth. Additionally, you can employ any device in your arsenal with this technique. Additionally, you shouldn't worry if you're a newbie, because this strategy is ideal for you. To understand everything there is to know about this tactic, be sure to watch this video through to the very finish with me. Let's go back to the video where it was revealed that you would be advertising the website Digistore24.com today. As you can see, Digistore enjoys making the claim that more sales mean less work for sophisticated marketers. Digistore24, as they state right here, is an online sales platform that offers you a built-in affiliate network for online stores, as well as all popular payment options and accounting automation, including tax automation. Although it can seem intimidating, we'll only pay attention to Digistore's affiliate network. Before we move on, we will now investigate the possibilities of this prospect in terms of it being one of the most effective affiliate programs on the internet. You can see right here on the main page that they have a fantastic Trustpilot rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. With over 4,000 users evaluating the platform on Trustpilot, the website is unquestionably a beast. You can never make a mistake by pursuing it, and there are no doubts about its reliability or validity. You're in excellent hands. Just ask these 4,000 users right here. Because of its extensiveness, the primary homepage can be a little daunting. I won't go into great detail because I only want to cover the essentials with you, but there's nothing stopping you from looking around the page and learning more. Everything is right here and presented to you in an open manner, which is one of the things I like about this website, the sheer transparency and openness to fully understand what you're getting into. Gives you a secure environment that makes it possible for you to operate more effectively. But what does that mean? What I want you to do right now is click on the blue Register Now button in the upper right corner of the website, which will take you to this page where you may create a free account. You'll be directed to this page called the Marketplace after logging in to the platform, where you may enter all the relevant information. They are easy to fill in, so it's just a quick stroll through the park. Given the wide range of categories you can choose from when deciding what to market, such as digital goods, animals and pets, betting methods, and much more, the page is actually quite intriguing to look at. You must now decide which product to promote. For instance, we'll advertise the Lose Your First 10 Pounds workshop, which is listed in the category of fitness and health. We can move on to discussing how to increase traffic after choosing a product to get more traction and attention, which brings us to the second website for today's video, howto00111. When you first visit the website, you will see that the front page has a lot of movies that are similar to these. You can see what they're about from here. On the website howto00111, you may view a plethora of videos made by regular individuals just like you and me. This platform has been used by users from all around the world to submit a wide variety of videos. Everything you need to know about how to quickly generate money off of howto00111 is available right here. I'm going to show you how to upload movies and then add your Digistore affiliate link to the description. This will open the door for people to reach your link, and voila, easy money will start flowing in. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. Let's return to the video now. On any website or platform, there is always that one step you must do, and I'm sure you guessed it since it is the sign-up procedure. To sign up, click this somewhat red button here in the top right corner of the main page. Once you click on that, you will be directed to this page where you can start the quick registration process. This form needs to be filled up with your email address before you can create a password. The only thing left to do is click on this sign up button and you'll instantly have a new account on ODC. Here on your account, click on your profile and then navigate to the upload section. As you can see, they will ask you to upload a video. But wait, you don't have a video yet. This is where I'm going to show you how you can cop videos for free and upload them for your own game. Let's head over to the most well-known video website in history, youtube.com now. Let's imagine we're seeking for weight loss videos. If we rapidly input that, a whole new page of videos corresponding to the term weight loss will appear. Before you choose a video, I want you to filter the search results and click on Creative Commons, because we'll need videos that are free to download. At this point, simply select the videos that you want to use later. The next thing I want you to do is to download the video. You can do this by copying the URL of the video and pasting it on a YouTube to MP4 downloader platform. I'm sure you're already familiar with this, so simply go to your browser and search for the most commonly used downloader. Simply convert your video, and after it's ready for download, remove it and click the download option, which will take us to the next step for this video. Now return to the upload section of your ODC account profile. Go back to your ODC account profile's upload section at this time. However, this time you already have a video to upload. Simply click the red button that says Upload Something New, and it will take you to a page where you can enter the details of your video before we continue. Let me warn you, though, this will be a detailed process, so pay close attention because you must repeat each step one at a time. You only need to copy and paste the YouTube video's original title into the first two fields, which are the name and title. After you submit the video file in the box below, you will be asked to make a brief description for your video by simply copying and pasting the original description. You will now add a small addition to your revised description to give it a bit of personality and distinction. If you want to lose weight quickly, click this right now. For example, type in a call to action that will appeal to your target market. Simply incorporate Digistore24 with your affiliate link. Why do you do this? Simply go back to the Digistore product page and copy the affiliate link. So that brings the entire technique to a close. Overall, everything works out well for you because you can now create a source of income with practically limitless earning possibilities. The end of that. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this kind of material, and if you do, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.